Hi students, today we are going to see 10th standard supplementary The Tempest. The Tempest was written by William Shakespeare. William Shakespeare was born on 23rd April 1564 at Stratford upon Avon in England. He was an English poet, playwright and actor. Widely he was regarded as the greatest writer in the English language and the world's dramatist of all times. He was often called England's national poet and bard of Avon. His surviving body of works include 37 plays, 154 sonnets, 2 long narrative poems, the major of which he penned between 1589 and 1613. So this is about the author William Shakespeare. Now we see about the title, The Tempest. First you must know what is the meaning of the tempest. Anybody know what is the meaning of the tempest? Yes, a violent storm. Tempest means a violent storm. The play The Tempest was written between 1610 and 1611. Many critics and historians believe it to be one of the last plays of William Shakespeare. It is considered one of William's best dramatist play. It is believed that the play The Tempest was based upon a shipwreck of the sea venture of Bermuda that was headed to Virginia. There is a strong evidence that Shakespeare used elements of the story of the wreck. So this is the title of the story, The Tempest. Now we see the different characters in the play The Tempest. See, first character Prospero. Prospero is the main character in the play Tempest. He was a kind and old man. He was the rightful Duke of Milan. He was the father of Miranda, a beautiful young lady. He was the brother of Antonio. So this is the character of the Prospero. Next, Miranda. Who is Miranda? Miranda was a very beautiful young lady. She was the daughter of Prospero and she was the lover of Ferdinand. So this is the second character. Third character, Ferdinand. Who is the Ferdinand? Ferdinand was the prince of King of Nepal. He was the son of Alonso and he was the lover of Miranda, a beautiful lady. Next character, Sycorax. Sycorax means a witch. Sycorax was a witch and she was the mother of an ugly monster, Caliban. Next character, King of Naples. Who was King of Naples? That means Alonso. He was a powerful prince. He was the enemy of Prospero and he was the father of Ferdinand. Next character, Ariel. So Ariel was the chief of all spirit. He was very obedient to the Prospero. So these are the different characters you can see in the play Tempest. If you have any doubt, please you can ask me. If you know, we shall move to the play The Tempest. See the play The Tempest. See, the play opens with a storm raised by Prospero. Earlier, he was a rightful Duke of Milan. He had been set adrift in a boat with his 3-year-old daughter Miranda by usurping brother Antonio. What is the meaning of usurping? That means he was a cheated person. Next, Prospero was more interested in his books and his magic than in the pragmatics of ruling Melon. And then the pragmatic of ruling Melon. Next, arriving at an island, Prospero released many spirits, but the main spirit was Ariel, who was tormented from the imprisonment of Cycros, the torment of him by a witch Cycros. Prospero found no living person than other Cycros, the son of the mother of Caliban, As the play began, Prospero creates a tempest to dash a fine large ship in which there was King of Nepal, that means Alonso, his brother Antonio were traveling. Next, he asked Ariel to bring Ferdinand to his cave because Ferdinand was the son of the enemy of King of Naples. Next, before the arrival of Ferdinand, he tells his daughter about the misdeed of his brother Antonio and the King of Naples. He tells the reason for creating the storm. Then he said that he has no intention them, but he wanted to realize their mistake and repent for it, what he has done to the king Prospero. When Ferdinand came to his cave, he was attracted by the Miranda. Why he was attracted? Because the Miranda was a very beautiful young lady and she was very concerned to Ferdinand. Finally, Ariel makes Prospero enemies. Prospero's enemies to realize their mistakes and repent for it. Prospero forgives them and restore dukedom the Milan. So what do you learn from this lesson, the Tempest? So what is the main message of the Tempest? Forgiveness and freedom are the keynotes of the play, The Tempest. So this is the story of The Tempest. I hope you all understand this story very well. Thank you, children. Next, we will meet the next class. Thank you.